What's going on, Twin Toy Army? Before we get to the video, so we've been reading the comments. A lot of you guys have been saying, we missed the old Twin Toys, and then we did a survey that said, what are you talking about? What do you mean? And this talks about the style of the Nerf wars. What do you guys see? The real muzzle flashes and the real sound effects, right? Guess what? We hooked you guys up with that experience. We're gonna do both experiences. We're gonna do what we've been doing over here. Guess what? We hooked you guys up with that experience. We're gonna do both experiences. We're gonna do what we've been doing over here on this channel. And then the old school Twin Toys experience is over on PBT All The Way channel. There's a channel called Payback Time. Go over there. Hit the subscribe. Icon on the screen right now. If you love those versions of Twin Toys. If you like the versions you normally been seeing, stay right here. Anyway, let's get to the video.
Daddy, come here, come here.
Hi, Cam. What's going on?
Come.
What? No, you can get it yourself. Whatever you need, you can get it yourself. I'm watching the Avengers movie. This is the best part. You wanna watch? Do you wanna sit by me? Wanna watch?
Come on, let's go.
Where are we going? No, I'm watching the movie.
Dad, come here now.
Okay. Whatever you want. Wait, you want some food? Okay, we're gonna go. Okay, you want something to eat? Okay, I'll get you something to eat. Okay, come on, try the fridge. Okay, whatever you want, I'll get you whatever you want, okay? Okay, make sure you're happy, alright? Okay, dude, seriously, relax, okay? Tell you're hungry. Look, something in the fridge will definitely cheer you up, okay? Just sit tight, relax. Okay, I got it, ready? Do you want some grapes? Oh, jeez! What's that for? Don't read that.
I don't think he wants that, Dad. Better watch out, Dad. Kid Kim's gonna get you.
Okay. You don't want grapes. I get it. Something you're gonna love about some baby carrot. Oh, what? What's that? You want baby carrot? What's wrong with baby? Everybody loves baby carrots. Do you want the ranch dressing? Ranch dressing with it? Oh, what? Ranch and carrots. Everybody loves ranch and carrots. Yeah, this isn't cool. This is not cool at all. What in the world? What? Okay. I know exactly what you're gonna love here. You're gonna love some vanilla yogurt. Oh, jeez. What's wrong with you? You're getting a little. Cheese stick? Oh. Cranberry sauce. Oh. Spaghetti?
No.
Dad, try a pantry.
Oh, Eli, great idea. Great idea. Pantry. Just follow me. Everything will be fine. All right. How about some potato chips?
Chips.
Oh, geez. Whoa. Okay, stop. Whoa. Okay. All right. Okay. Wait. How about some cheese? Wait a minute. Why does this look familiar? Deja vu all over. Wait a minute. How about some peanut butter crackers? No? Okay, how about some yummy Cheerios? Still no? It's gotta be something that... Oh yeah, that's right. That was 2 years ago exactly from today. Camden was 2 back then, you're 4 now. You don't want Cheez-Its, you don't want chips, you don't want anything on the fridge. Oh, I know what you want. Bananas. Where are the bananas? Bananas? Bananas! I'm sorry, kiddo. There's no bananas here. I know you really wanted them, from last time, but there's no bananas. You okay?
No, I want to play Mario.
So you don't want bananas at all? You just want to play Mario?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
That's it? That's all you wanted? That's it? Well, why didn't you say so in the first place? Come on, let's go!
What is it? Snowball?
What? No. Go play with your brothers. Play Mario. look what you did.